Hey everybody, Temple Crazed here. How is everyone doing today? Let's see here. Alright, Rosie. Let's see here. Alright. Gotta get those house cleaning things out of the way right now. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share the stream, all those good things. We'll give it a couple minutes here while we wait. Again, I had mentioned this before. If anybody's looking for any specific coins or currency that they're struggling to find, let me know. I have a new account with a company where I can get a lot of stuff really cool. So we got that happening. The new microphone we're going to be getting hopefully soon. I talked with the company there that wants me to review it and everything. So hopefully we'll get that going pretty soon here. Um, Working on trying to get a new camera. Although I tell you, the microscope's working pretty good. It's got a really good camera. So I think this will be a really fun experiment today. Um, First, I want to start off by saying we're going to be using some very dangerous chemicals. These are nitric and muriatic acids mixed up in different amounts for testing the different gold carat weights. Um, if you get them on your skin, obviously burns can ensue. The solution did come with acid neutralizer, plus I have a water standing by. I am wearing safety protection today. I have gloves on, eye protection, stuff that I normally you wouldn't see me wear. If you get this in your eye, you're blind. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The stuff will react with the liquid in your eye and burn right through. You're done. No second chances. All right. As long as you take the proper precautions when you're utilizing these chemicals and everything, this can really be a fun, exciting thing to do, especially if you want to if you like want to go out and just buy scrap gold or whatever. You could take a kit like this with you and test it on the run. You just need to make sure, like I say, you got safety glasses and personal protection stuff. Do it in a well ventilated area. I have a window open where I'm at, just so that I make sure that I'm not breathing in too many of these chemicals. If you have a respirator, you can always wear one of those. If you're a child and you want to do this, make sure you get your parents' permission and your parent is with you when you're doing this. If you're an adult doing this, well, you're on your own, but just make sure you're wearing all that personal protection. I don't want anybody to get injured or anything like that while they're doing stuff like this. With all that being said, I do have my chemicals set up. I have my rubbing stone here. We'll go through some of this stuff here before we actually get to the gold, and we'll talk about some more of it. So let's get over to the microscope here and take a look what's going on. All right, what you're seeing here, this is actually our rubbing stone. This is what we're going to rub the gold on to make a gold line to be testing on. Underneath it, this bright yellow mat is actually an absorbent mat. In case we spill some of the chemicals, it'll absorb it. So we have that. Here, this bottle right here is acid neutralizer. We'll be utilizing this afterwards to put onto the chemicals to neutralize them. We have for this experiment. Now I do have stuff to test gold, silver, and platinum also. So, but I don't have any platinum to test. I do have some silver we could try. Although to test silver, really all you need is 18 karat gold solution. So this is 22 karat. As you can see, it contains nitric and muriatic acids. All right. I mean, look at all these warnings. All right. Let's see. Let's read some of these here. Inhalation, removed fresh air. Skin, wash with soap and water, remove contaminated clothing. Eyes, immediately flush with water for 20 minutes and call a physician. If swallowed, do not induce vomiting. If conscious, give large amounts of water or milk of magnesia. I mean, this is some really toxic stuff. Okay, so we just want to make sure that everybody's being safe when we're doing this stuff. Now, again, this is the 22 karat stuff, and we're gonna start there. Here's the 18. I gotta sneeze. Here's the 14. I don't think I caught that in time. Sorry. 14 and 10. So here's the whole gist. We're gonna rub that gold on here, make a line that you'll all be able to see about yay long, and then we'll do like just 18 at first. And what we should see with 18 is it should be able to dissolve the gold, completely gone. Then we'll go down to the or not the 18, the 22, then the 18, then the 14, and then the 10. Now, if the 14's really slow to react, the 10 doesn't do anything to the gold. Because my assumption is it's like 12 karat. I don't have 12 karat solution. So my assumption though is that it's 12 karat. But if the 14 eats through it fairly quickly, and even the 10 eats through it, then we're going to be talking about lower than 10 karat. So, alright, let's get started here. Alright, here's our piece of gold. And again, this piece of gold was a letter opener that was melted down. So, I mean, it could be 14 karat, could be 10 karat, we don't know. But what we do, and you can do this with rings and bracelets and things like that too, but just make sure that you're doing it in an inconspicuous spot. I gotta sneeze again, hold on. Alright, my wife gave me a cold. Alright, I'm gonna use this little nubbin right there. And we might try this in a couple different spots just to get the best results. But we're gonna go right here. And you're just gonna rub. We want a nice line here. See that? I might add a little bit here. And it kind of, I mean, you can see it's a little polished right there now, but it really doesn't do a lot of damage. All right, so let's start. We're gonna start with 22 karat. Here we go. Just a little drop right here. See how it's just eating away that gold right there? That gold's just gone. So we know it's not 22 karat. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the neutralizer here to neutralize this stuff before we move on. And once you neutralize it, you can just wipe it away. See? Easy peasy. All right, so we know it's not 22 karat. All right. Well, let's go to 18 karat. Poof. Look at that. Just eating it away. I mean, like it's nothing's there, right? So we definitely know it's not 18 karat. We know it's nothing higher than 18 karat. Now I'm going to use that neutralizer again. And then I could just wipe away the stuff. All right. Let's go down to 14 karat. Yep, same thing. It just ate that gold right away. Put some neutralizer on it. I just got some chemical actually on the back of my hand, and because I'm wearing gloves, it's not going to hurt me, which is really nice. All right, now I'm going to put a little more gold on here because there we go. All right, so 14 karat, ate right through it too. So now we're down to 10 karat. You seeing this? This means this stuff isn't even 10 karat. I mean, it ate right through that gold. I mean, I don't have any solutions that go lower than 10. So this is probably actually more like 9 karat gold. Let's put some neutralizer in here. We'll neutralize everything. And then the neutralizer also will help clean up the stone. So we'll use some neutralizer for it. Help kind of clean up the stone here. These stones can be used thousands and thousands of times. Alright. So that means our gold is probably more like 9 karat. Probably more like 9 karat weight. Which makes it a lot less valuable because if we look here at the chart, I'm just gonna pull that up real quick. I use come on, go away. I use a gold melt calculator from coinapps.com. So it's in grams. It's 15.91 gram, and then I can select my carat weight, and I'm gonna say it's 8 grams, or 9 carat weight. So here's our our price. Um, when I go to sell it, I'll probably sell it as 8 karat. So again, 15.91 we put in here, and you could either do 100%, because if it was 100%, here's what you're looking at. Carat weight, though, we can go down here. We'll do 8 karat, so it's only 33.33% gold, $346. So I'll probably be looking to sell this piece of gold here for about 340 bucks. So, all right, now let me move some chemicals around here. We'll just go like that. I'm gonna move a few chemicals around because I do have. I got to get to the silver solution. I do have some silver here we can test, some silver shot that we can test. The silver thing is kind of neat because it'll actually change colors, I guess. I've never tried doing silver before. I mean, I've done the gold thing many years ago, and it's fun to get back at it. But the silver, I was told you really don't need silver solution. The 18 karat gold solution actually can work for silver, but since this kit that I bought came with silver and platinum solutions, I figured, wow, what the heck, right? All right, so this is 5 grams of silver shot that I got. I'm just gonna try to get one bead out here. Come on, I just want one bead. Where'd it go? I got it. I found it. Okay. One bead of silver. Now this stuff is supposed to be 395, but you know when people make their own silver shot, I mean my local silver place won't take silver shot because they said that when people make their own, you never know what the heck it might be, right? So if it's 395, we're going to be looking for a bright red. If it's a darker red, it'd be 925. A dark red or a blue white. At 80%, we're looking at brown, and at 50%, it's green. So let's see. Important tip of silver solution must not be punctured before use. Okay. I gotta open the damn thing up. I didn't even open it. Alright, well, let's pull up this. There you go. That's our little BB of silver. Just opening up the solution here. I don't even know what the solution is. What is it? Same thing. Muriatic and nitric acid. So, I mean, these are the things that they use to put gold into solution and stuff when you're doing gold recovery. So, awesome. Sorry, it decided to spray. This is why I told you guys. Make sure that you're using safety precautions. As soon as I opened the little tip of this thing, it shot out everywhere, so look at that. It's eating my razor blade. Alright, let me clean up because it decided to make a mess. It's another thing. Make sure you're keeping your work area clean when you're working with this kind of stuff. I mean, the last thing you want to be doing is making a mess and then tripping and falling and getting something on you or whatever, right? So I neutralized this stuff, but look at it started eating right through my razor blade. Crazy, crazy stuff. Make sure you're using all those precautions I told you about. Dangerous. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. You know, anybody remember that? I mean, I see that there's a few people in here, but nobody's talking. Y'all just learning, which I'm fine with. Alright. Alright. This is going to be a little difficult, but I'll make it work. Get back here, Silver. Come here. There we go. Lots of silver. Alright, well, shall we? Alright. Single drop onto there, and we'll just sit and wait and watch. A bright red is what we're looking for. And of course, you guys are not going to see this very well, just because this camera doesn't show stuff very good. But this is not. I don't think this is actually pure silver, because that is not bright red. That is more of a brownish color, brown to orange. See, you just never know what you're buying. Hey, Mickey. It's actually kind of a. It's more like 925 or maybe a little less than 925, maybe 90%. You know what I think this is? Honestly, this silver shot I think is melted down coins. I think it's melted down coins. Because that's what it's kind of resembling. When you look at it, it's more of an orange. It's not quite brown. Brown would be 80%. Orange, I think, would be more like a 90%. So the person that sold me this, who knows where they got it from, but it's not 9999 silver. It's actually 90% silver. See, you just never know what you're getting out there, right? So there you go. That's kind of an interesting little thing, huh? A turn of events. Just gonna neutralize everything and clean up here. So if anybody wants this kit, I bought it on Amazon. It was $50. Now this kit is a lot more than what you see here. It also came with um, a way to test platinum. Nice, Mickey. This one actually came with a way to test platinum, also to test gemstones. Um, so it was a little more expensive than some of the other kits. And there we go. All ready for the next time that we need it. Now I'm going to put away the chemicals and get them off of my hand, and then get the gloves off of my hands and put away before I do much anything else here. I just want everything put away off of my hands and stuff before I do anything else. Come here, box. Alright, put that in there. And I'm going to use that yellow mat that I have right there, which is an absorbent material. I'm going to put that underneath the chemicals, even though I put them into a bag the bag that they came in. I'm going to put that underneath them just in case they do leak at all. I mean, everything's safe, 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 right? Right. Okay, now I took my gloves off and got rid of that. I don't have any little kids in the house, so I don't have to worry too much about stuff. About kids getting into stuff or whatever. But if you have kids in the house, you definitely want to worry about that, right? Take the stuff outside, put it in the garbage can, whatever. Um, so that way, hey Ray, that way your little kids can't get into it. You know, I don't have to worry about that. Like I say, I don't have any little kids in the house. All right. So the other thing that came with this kit, come here, you. Ouch. Was a gemstone tester. It's actually called a diamond tester, but I found out that you can test pretty much any gemstone with it. So I'm gonna pull that out. Come here, you. It's nice. It came with a battery too. Let's see. How do we put battery in? Battery. All right. I do buy some rings once in a while. That's why I really wanted this one. Um, it'd be nice to be able to test those rings and see what those gemstones are and stuff. So, all right. Okay, so it's on. I need to find the rings, or at least one of them. Here we go. This one will work. All right. We're gonna use this ring right here. I need the little piece of thingy that came with it. All right. Now I'm going to try to do this so it's in view. Come on. Come on. Come on, you stupid thing. Alright, so this first gem right here. Oh, come on. Come on. We're getting one dot. So one is amethyst, which I knew it was. Actually, let me turn this light down. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, you can see that. Maybe if I turn the light off, will that be better? Maybe. There it is. One is the loneliest number. Okay, so that's amethyst. I'll just show you here. I got this chart here that just tells you what we're looking at and stuff. Alright. Now, I believe the stuff around the edges is peridot. I'm going to try to get one of them. Come on. Yeah. Oh, come on. It's tough to get just one. Um, that says that it's topaz. Oh, there we go. That's a better look. I think I'm getting off just a little bit and hitting the metal. Because when I hit the silver, it'll go crazy. But we should be peridot. Maybe if I actually set the stupid thing down. There we go. Peridot. Like I thought. Oh, let's see what else do we got. I've been having trouble selling these rings, so I'm kind of been thinking about peeling the stones out of them, selling them as scrap silver for the bands because they are 925 silver. All right, so this one here should be all amethyst. That is not amethyst. Come here, you. Just reading here real quick. So here's the scale is really tough to read. I mean, it's like all over the place, right? It's kind of a pain in the butt to read. But I don't have a real diamond. I can't test a real diamond. Ooh, sapphire. I do have sapphire, though. This watch has a sapphire crystal in it. And that's reading just like it should. Sapphire is going to read like insane. Because it's about as close as you can get to a diamond. Also, this watch is available if anybody's looking for a really cool ladies' watch. It glows. I just fixed it. It's got a new movement in it, new sapphire crystal. It's beautiful. Anyway. Come here, you. 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Do, 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 do. Hey, get back here. Huh. I don't know. What size was the blue stone ring? The one I had out before? Is that the one you're asking about, Ricky? I'll grab it here. Just give me a second. Oh. Er. Uh. 6.5. And like I say, they are here. Whoop. 925 right there. Well, these are the only two I had out right now. There is one more. Give me a second. Oh, the big one? This one? Okay, the small one with the blue on top and the little white things, the white ones around it, is a 6.5. The big one here is a 13. And the other one that I do have, if I can find it quickly-ish, adjacent. There it is. This one is a 7. For this one, I mean, I was trying to get 20 bucks a piece for them. Is it? That's all I wanted for them. Was 20 a piece. All three of them. I mean, like I say, it'd be like 60 bucks. But if you wanted all three of them, I could do 50 for the three. Okay. Sounds good. Um, Let me put some of this stuff away here. I got a little magnifier with my kit. Something I don't even need. Something I don't need. Oh. So I did get something in yesterday in mail. I figured I could show you today. Just give me a second to get some stuff put away. Alright, here we go. Dragon Ball Z. Worth coin, worth collection. I don't know who any of these characters are, because I'm not a Dragon Ball Z fan, but I know people that are. So, they are not gold. They're not precious metals. So I got three of those in. And then I got... Anybody like The Simpsons? Gold banknotes. Certification thing. 999 pure. We got Homer. Marge. Bart. Anybody remember the song that's my age? Remember the song Do the Bart Man? Loved that song. Lisa and I don't know, Baby. I don't remember. Is Baby got a name even? I don't know. Here's the reverse of all of them. So there you go. I have that set. That's the complete set. Will be offered up at my next auction, which I don't know when that's going to be, but that is the complete set of The Simpsons Gold Leafs. Pretty collectible. And then the other thing I got was this. A spoon. I got a spoon. I know I mentioned it in one of my other videos that I was buying a spoon. So I got the spoon, came in. Here's the thing with the spoon. I gotta sneeze. Okay, maybe I don't need to sneeze. Let's see. There you go. The spoon is 80% silver. It's very weird looking. I've done a little bit of research on it, and it's a salt spoon, I guess. So, but it is 80% silver. So that'll be for sale. So the gold will go up for sale for about um, $320. The will be the start on what the gold foil on the spoon. We're gonna start at $6. I seen one sell on eBay recently or another one similar to this. Not this one exactly. I paid $6 for this. That's why I'm gonna start at 6. But I seen one sell recently on eBay for 20. So I paid 6. I mean, you can go look it up on eBay if you want. I paid $6 for it. I sniped it. So, but that's all I got for you today. Is there any questions about anything that we did? I'm kind of hoping to have a show tomorrow, but for sure we'll have our show on um, Wednesday. Uh, I have some um, uh, Mercury Dimes coming, so we'll have them. Whichever show we do next, we'll have Mercury Dimes at it. Uh, like, a roll or two. I will not be selling them as a roll, so if you come in and be like, I just want to buy the whole roll, I just can't quite bring myself to do that, just for the simple fact that I know that I won't get paid. I won't make as much if I sell the whole roll. And the whole point here is I gotta make monies. I gots to make the monies, right? See if I can find that. I have a picture here. Um, Bloop. The guy that I'm getting the roll from sent me a picture so I could kind of see some of the coins that he threw into this one roll. I see a 1919. I mean, there's some 40s, 30s. But yeah, I mean, there's. Yeah, that one's a 1919. It's just a random roll of Merc dimes. They'll be starting at $3 a piece. I also have 4 1950 Denver brilliant uncirculated nickels coming. One of them's for the book. The other 3 are going to be for sale. Those are going to be starting at probably $20 a piece. Because, I mean, that's pretty much, wow, that's pretty low actually for those. If you don't know what we're talking about here, 1950 Denver, there was only 2.6 million minted. And an MS65, they're $25 a piece. So these are brilliant uncirculated. I mean, if I start at $20, that's pretty close, you know. So we'll have 3 of those available. Yeah. Plus, I bought some proof nickels for our book. But yeah, again, if there's anything you guys are looking for that you're having trouble finding or whatever, I mean, it doesn't matter what it is. Could be the 1909 SVDB if you're looking for one of them, or whatever it is. Let me know. Obviously, there'll be, especially if it's like the SVDB, there's going to be some sort of deposit for that, like a non-refundable deposit. But if it's like a $20 coin or whatever, just let me know. I can pick something up for you. There'd be a little bit of a markup on it, just so that you know, because again, this is my job, um, how I make money. So, any questions, anybody? Questions, comments, concerns? Forever hold your peace. If not, then thanks for watching, everybody. Again, make sure you're liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing this out. Let everybody know what we're doing here. So, thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, have a good one.